So my DC power supply stopped working. It would turn on, give me 0 volts, 0 amps, potentiometers wouldn't do nothing. I take it apart, fan was still working. I take it apart, and I find no solder on that pin. Where are you? There you are. And no solder on that pin. I wonder if this is going to fix the problem. So I got some solder on those. As you can see, I'm not the deadliest at soldering, but it works. The soldering works, not the circuit board, because I tried it again, it does not work. But I did notice, see right there, D1 was this diode. I just took it out of the circuit and tested over here. I'll show you now what the results. So I've got my meter set to the diode test function. You can see that one that it's at right there, that's the diode test function. So most diodes, the way that they should test is you should get about a 0.5 volt drop in one direction, and then it should be out of range in the other direction. So I measured one direction, I get, roughly 0.5 volt. Then I switch it to the other direction, 0.8. So this way I should be getting out of range. So there should be like no continuity at all. So this diode is toast, which is actually good news because they're really cheap and this power supply is not really cheap. So I'll be able to repair this hopefully for like $5 or less. All right, I've got new diodes. They're not the exact same as the ones before, but I checked with Grok, and Grok says that they are similar enough that they should be totally fine. As you can see, in one direction, roughly 0.5 volt. Switch directions. Nothing. All right, guys, everything's all soldered back into place. Got my new diode in there. Everything put back together. Drum roll, please. Ha! It works. Before it was just giving me 0 on everything, so I'm pretty confident. Oh yeah, that was it. And so this is actually the thing that seemed to break it the first time around. I just tried this one, which was brand new in the box. And I forgot to dial the voltage down. So when I turned it on, it was at like 32 volts, and I only just touched it for just a second. And I'm pretty sure I fried it. But this thing still works. Neat. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.